Hola amigos, ¿cómo les va? ¿Qué tal? El día de hoy me voy a despedir de mi amiga, se llama Ana, y también de mi papá. Y bueno, eso fue un saludo rápido. Le voy a preguntar algo, le voy a preguntar dónde va, cuándo regresa. No tengo clases por como un mes. La conocí desde hace un mes y he estado practicando inglés para hablar con ella, con mi papá, con Duolingo. Me voy a despedir de Ana y acá está. Le voy a preguntar algunas preguntas.
Hola!
How was your experience in Tulum?
It was so wonderful. The beaches were so nice and the people were so nice. And your dad, Russell, he took me everywhere I wanted to go and he was absolutely amazing. And the food was so good. It was just so beautiful. I can't wait to come back.
Yeah. And where are you going?
I'm going back home to Canada now. I'm going to go back home and see my family and it'll be cold.
Yeah. And the squirrels. Squirrels.
Oh yeah, and there's gonna be so many squirrels because it's almost summertime, and I know that it's Russell's favorite animal, so I'm gonna make sure to feed some squirrels for Russell this summer.
What was your favorite thing to do in Tulum?
I think my favorite thing was eating tacos at the beach.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was so nice, and going in the ocean. It's just so nice.
Well, I wanna. Yeah, that's a cool question. What was your favorite thing you wanted to do, but you didn't have time to do it?
I really wanted to go to Chichen Itza, but I didn't have time to go. Yeah. So I guess I'll have to come back to see Chichen Itza.
And what was your least favorite thing in Tulum?
My least favorite thing?
Yeah.
I'd have to say riding my bike on the dirt roads and not getting picked up by Russell. Hey, thank you.
That's the airport.
Oh, look. So nice.